P dash, dy dash by q dash equal to dz dash by r dash, and the solution of this will give the orthogonal trajectory. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ ആ സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുമ്പോൾ you will get one of the solutions as f of x y z equal to 0. അതായത് നമ്മൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന സൊല്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എഗെയിൻ ആ നമ്മുടെ സർഫസിൽ വരുന്നത് തന്നെ ഒരു ഫാമിലി ഓഫ് കേർവ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ one of the solution you will be obtaining as f of x y z equal to 0. Don't use an arbitrary constant there. It will denote your surface and another set of curves. So let me call it as, say, some h of x y z equal to c2. So corresponding to g of x y z equal to c1, so this h of x y z equal to c2 will be the orthogonal trajectory. So അതിൻ്റെ ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ആൻഡ് എച്ച് ഓഫ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് ഈക്വൽ ടു സേ c2. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹൗ യു ഫൈൻഡ് ദി orthogonal trajectory of a given system of curves which is lying on a surface. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ ഇത്രയാണ്. You will be given surface and on the surface you will be given a family of curves. അപ്പോൾ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0, ജി ഓഫ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് ഈക്വൽ ടു c1. First find the simultaneous equation for that given family. You will get dx by p, dy by q, dz by r, and using that pqr and the components fy, fx, fy and fz. So from that find dx dash, solve for dx dash, dy dash and dz dash. That will give the simultaneous equation for the orthogonal trajectory. So here we will see an example. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം കണ്ട എക്സാമ്പിൾ തന്നെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു ആർ ഗിവൺ എ കോൺ x square plus y square equal to z square tan square alpha, and you are given z equal to 0. Okay, so you need to find the orthogonal trajectory on the cone x square plus y square equal to z square tan square alpha with the family of planes parallel to z equal to 0. So planes parallel to z equal to 0 will be z equal to c1. So it can be all the planes of the form z equal to c1, where c1 takes an arbitrary value. It can be positive or negative. So you will get the planes parallel to z equal to 0. So this is your f of x y z equal to 0 and g of x y z equal to c1. That will be z equal to c1 here. So g is z. Now write the differentials for both the functions. So can take the equation fx dx plus fy dy plus fz dz equal to 0, and similarly for gx dx, gy dy and gz dz equal to 0. So that will give these two equations. So 2x dx, 2y dy, 2z tan square alpha, okay, minus 2z tan square alpha dz equal to 0, and from the equation z equal to c1, that will give me dz equal to c1. And now solve for dx dy and dz. So this is the value of p and q. So you will get dx by p, dy by q, and this is the value of r. And I can remove 2 here. So I will get dx by y, dy by minus x, dz by 0. And now these are the values of p, q and r. So p is y, q is minus x and r is 0. And now we need to find p dash, q dash and r dash. So that is obtained by finding the direction ratios with the vectors pqr and fx, fy and fz. So that will give you p dash, q dash and r dash. So by solving this, I have got here dx by xz tan square alpha, dy by yz tan square alpha, and dz by y square plus x square. So let me take tan square alpha to here, to the third term. So z into tan square alpha to the third term. So I can rewrite the equation in this form. So okay, so solving for the first two terms, they are variable separable, so you will get x by y equal to c1, so x is equal to c1y. And again, if I choose this as a multipliers, so that is going to give me, so I have not used a constant here, because you can see that the solution is actually your surface f of x y z equal to 0. That's why I have omitted the constant. So this x equal to c1y denotes the orthogonal trajectory. So here the orthogonal trajectory will be the planes of the form x equal to c1y passing through the x-axis. So you can actually see from the figure, so the planes parallel to the x-axis, that gives the original family of curves. So they are going to be circles, and these lines are actually x equal to c1y. So you can see the angles here, they are going to be right angles. So that is the lecture for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the problems from this. So just go through it